All right, go get the ball. Go on. Oh, smart boy. Look at, you know what? You've gotten too smart. It's not a challenge for you anymore. Would you turn to your good side, please? Thank you. That was very nice of you. After all, nobody wants to see the other end anyway. Yeah. At least I don't. Maybe somebody who hasn't seen it before wants to see it. Anyway, all right. Okay, pick it up. That's right. Come on. Pick it up and bring it to me. What, all of a sudden? You're not going to do it? Oh. Look, it's not keep away. Come on. Give me that friggin' thing. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Okay. Now, you're going to behave? You're going to go ahead and get it? You better bring it back to me. Okay. Go on. Oh, that's the smartest dog. I never taught him that. He just does it. Yep. Okay, King Tux. You going to bring it here? Come on. Bring me the ball. Come on. Well, you used to bring things to me when I told you to. I guess you've discovered it's more fun not to. Okay. Be that way. King Tux. Hey. Hey, you. Bring me that ball. Come on. Come on, bring it here. Come on. Come on. King. Well, it's, you're gonna bark at it. Okay, bring it here. Come on.